a little bit about some maintenance issues that could occur in your suite. In general, all maintenance issues should be submitted online as soon as they're noticed to prevent the problem from getting any worse. So if you have a broken lamp, or a loose screw in your furniture, or a leaky faucet, or any other issue that you notice in your suite, please report that to the front desk immediately. Depending on the severity of the issue, the maintenance team member will arrive as soon as possible. If your sink or toilet is overflowing, there are a few things you can do in the interim to prevent the problem from getting any worse. You can cut off the water flow using the valve underneath the sink and another valve beside the toilet. Each suite is also equipped with a plunger for you to use if your toilet is clogged. It is important that you try to unclog the toilet yourself before making a maintenance request. If you have any questions about how to cut off the water supply or how to plunge the toilet, don't hesitate to ask your John. Remember that issues should be reported promptly to make sure that the situation is resolved effectively and immediately to prevent any further damage from happening.